Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to activate server lag boost until double lag for free without using any Robux in Visit. So in this latest update, there's a brand new island that called Classic Island like this. And on this island, you will find a special classic machine that can be used to activate server lag boost. But before you can use it, you need to repair the machine by finding 4 missing parts. And if you don't know where to find them, you can just check the tutorial link in the description for all the locations. But just keep in mind this machine only needs to be repaired once per server, so sometimes you might join a server where the machine is already fixed. And after the machine's already fixed like this, the first activations maybe will cost you 500 coins like this, and the boost will be last for 1 hour. And if you want to use it again, the cost will increase by 250 coins each time that you activate. So every time you use the machine, it gets a bit more expensive. And sometimes if you join a server where the machine is already fixed, the cost might already be higher, for example around until 3,000 coins, 4,000 coins, and many more. And to activate, just simply tap on the start machine like this, and just like that you will get boost server lag until double lags, this one. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.